This 80s car isn't just another machine. It's a piece of my family's history. My grandpa drove it for years, but after more than 3 decades, it's seen better days. Rust is everywhere, and the engine barely runs. Instead of letting it fade away, I've decided to bring it back to life. In the earlier stages of the project, I completely stripped the car, removed all the rust, reinforced the chassis, and gave it a fresh coat of paint. Today, I'm moving on to the braking system and installing some key components. To get this CRX back on the road and the track, I'm swapping in a D16 DOHC engine. It's got a lower torque curve at higher RPMs, which fits my driving style perfectly. On top of that, I'm adding a turbo setup to crank up the power and make this thing an absolute blast to drive. At this point, the car is back together in its basic form, but there's still plenty of work to do. I'll be fine-tuning every detail to make sure that when it hits the streets, it's not just a classic CRX. It's a full-on speed machine. What do you think of the build? Got any ideas or suggestions? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to follow along. There's a lot more coming, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you in the next update.